It's incredible how fascinating nature continues to be. I was always under the assumption that spiders got their necessary nutrients and hydration from the prey that they caught. But I have now witnessed on multiple occasions when the spider comes across the Venus flytrap's nectar, it starts to consume it, and just like any other prey, gets addicted to the nectar and intoxicated by it. As it switched sides, you can see that it kept moving right down the nectar line. While trying to collect as much of the sweet liquid as possible, its movements pull it right over the trigger hairs. Once the trap is spring closed, it's essential that the prey keeps on moving to stimulate the trigger hairs and let the plant know that it's caught something alive and that it's worth starting the digestive process. As the prey starts to feel the grasp of the plant and move faster and faster, the plant becomes more certain and more dedicated to the digestive process much faster.
The lizard freezes in shock. The mantis takes full advantage. It may not inject any venom like the ants, but its jaws are fearsome weapons. The lizard, stupefied with pain, believes it can still shake off its attacker. Now the giant mantis switches over from being the hunted to the hunter. It sets to work without a moment's delay. In a few hours, the lizard will be a mere skeleton.